A building is not only the home of a company, but it strengthens brand identity and creates a first impression for visitors. You know that the sooner your building is operational, the sooner you can capture the market and see a return on your investment. That's why choosing the right building partner is more important than ever. Wall sections are manufactured at the FBS Worthington, Minnesota facility. Because all of the production that is normally done on the job site is finished in our enclosed factory, we maintain greater schedule control and increased construction speed. Your design professionals send FBS a complete set of plans for your project. We utilize the CAD drawings as production overlays to double-check dimensions, ensure quality, and create FBS building plans. The FBS plans are then translated into shop drawings. Cutting information is downloaded to our computerized saw that minimizes waste and maximizes accuracy. Precise cuts are only the beginning of our quality process. Panelized walls are constructed with the same code specifications as on-site stick-built projects, but our ability to control the process yields better quality. FBS supplies all structural steel components in the building package. Both steel installation and preparation are finished in the factory, which in turn saves time in the field. Our sealing and flashing methods create a barrier to protect against moisture penetration. These specialized steps are not typically part of a field-framed building, but our controlled manufacturing process gives you a better functioning end product. We are so confident of our quality that we hire a national third-party inspection company to confirm it before sending panels to a job site. Panels are ready to package and ship with all of the necessary openings created and exterior finishes already applied. Panels are delivered to the job site on your schedule, ready for crane erection under the supervision of experienced, factory-trained construction personnel. An FBS factory tech is on site to guide and direct the work, ensuring assembly quality and attention to detail. Since our system reduces the number of on-site contractors and eliminates scaffolding, both costs and safety risks are minimized. As panels are erected, they are joined to create a precise exterior finish fit. Once the exterior footprint is standing, the roof trusses are lifted into place and secured. We prepare the roof for final finishing by installing decking and sheathing parapet walls. The interior wall partitions that were previously constructed in Worthington are set into place. The open studs are now ready for electric and plumbing. Talk to Fullerton Building Systems to see how our manufacturing system can be your building solution.